What's up, guys? Tonight we're going to do a hot and fast, quick and dirty grilled shrimp on the Rectic. All right, so this is going to be a pretty short video. We got some shrimp, marinated it in this Kinder Thai uh, sauce, and then I added a little more soy sauce, some garlic, and sriracha to it. So we're just going to get our shrimp skewered. All right, guys, we're at 650 degrees. That's it's hot enough for me. So let's throw this on real quick. This is only going to take, honestly, like, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes per side. I go so hot because I'm hoping to get some char on them. Ooh, this thing's kicking out some heat. All right. All right. I've flipped these once already, and they are done. That fast, like a couple minutes. Doesn't take long at this temperature. It took long enough for me to throw them on, flip them after a minute, uh, run in the house real quick, wash this pan. I'm a big dude, so we ain't running too fast, you know. But yeah, washed the pan, came out, pulled them off, and that's it. So we got some rice going, and we'll get it plated and show you what we are working with. Little tongue tie there. Little pro tip for you. Ha, pro. Uh, use a spoon when you're doing avocado. Dude, scoop some right out. Pop off that little stem. Super easy. All right, let's assemble our plate. So we got the fine china out. You know, we eat on paper plates out here. Who's got time for dishes? And yeah, we got the mega supersized low sodium because we're health conscious. So I took some of the marinade, threw it in a saucepan, heated it up, and brought it to a simmer, and then strained off any of like the garlic and stuff to make it smooth. Spill, whatever. Throw a little more soy sauce in there, and we like some heat, so a little sriracha. Give that a mix. Okay, and we'll take our shrimp. Whatever. My hands are clean, so don't trash me in the comments. And we'll take some of our avocado. And spoon off a little of the sauce. Who am I kidding? Let's go 2 skewers. All right. That's a quick, fast, I mean, easy dinner. Longest thing or longest part of the whole thing is the marinade, and that was just overnight. So skewering them takes a little bit of time, but pretty easy. All right, we're back up top. I'll be honest with you guys. Do not cook them that hot. They're not bad, but they are on the tougher side. All right. So maybe next time, I don't know, maybe like 350, not 650. But they're not bad. They're on the tougher side, you know, maybe jerky-ish, you know. But I wanted to be honest with you guys. I could have easily deleted this video and pretended like it never happened, like I wanted to. But it was a fail, and yeah, I wouldn't say ultimate fail, but definitely could have gone better. You know, just probably drop the temp down, maybe 400 max. All right. Again, thanks for watching Average Dad Barbecue. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, do not cook your shrimp at 650 degrees. Later.